you can say, models to not understand those pixels as they get very blurry. So the edge line that we create in those blurry images got bigger, or you can say wider, in terms of the model to read them properly and then to determine whether the area is inside or outside. So we do have two types of training materials. First is the healthy training material, and then comes the black rod, where the testing materials contains only one type of images, which are the mixture of both. So the training material resizes the whole images, then flips them randomly in both the vertical and the horizontal area, because a leaf can, you can say, an aerial shot doesn't have to be pointing in a certain direction. It can be diagonal, it can be in a vertical way or a horizontal image, based on how drone is aligned to the to the trees or to the leaves. That's why we, for the training, we rotate the images in both the direction, the vertical and horizontal, and then showcase the whole image, and then provide the data to the model so it can train on any scenario, so it doesn't get any perspective for any single sided image. Then we color jitter image, reducing their you can say brightness, contrast, and saturation from 30 to 20% on both sides, up and down randomly, so the contrast and the coloring of the image doesn't affect our prediction. But the testing image only gets converted into a TensorFlow, which is, you can say, the model only takes binary vectors. It can't image this. You can say it can't understand the images in a image format like a PNG or JPG file. So it is need a binary vectors or numerical vectors to understand what the image means. That's why we convert all the images into a binary vectors. So the testing data only get resized and then converted to binary vectors, whereas the training data gets the whole process, what I just told you. Then comes the loading process and the data splitting. Now, the data splitting is very important. You can give the same data to training and then test them on it, because the computer knows the whole data. It has to predict it. It has to work on different data types and different images. That's why the data is generally split. So there are many ratios to split the whole data. Right now, as to showcase this whole project, we don't have much time. So to reduce the GPU and CPU load, we are only working on 1,000 images. So according to those, the calculations come to 75%, 10%, and 15%. 75, 15, 15. Sorry. So the 75 is for the training. The 1,000 out of 750 images goes for the training. Then comes the 150 for validation, whether the trained data has correct information or not, to validate the whole structure of the hidden nodes in the neural network. Then comes the testing, which is other 150 images. Then we showcase the whole images in the form, so we can understand what data we have given, what data we will get from the model. Then comes the whole model setups. So the model uses a batches system. So it has given data in a batch form, which is 32 by 32 by 32 batches, till it's get 750 data into the whole memory. The reason for using 35 batches is so it can numerical vectors can align with the bit format. Currently, I am using a system which is on a 32-bit processors, so therefore we are using 32. So it makes easier for the CPU to load the whole data. If we have a 64-bit computer or 128-bit computer, then we will use those number, because that makes the calculation much easier for the CPU and the GPU, and then it makes the whole process very efficiently, more for the time as well and the processing power as well. Then comes loading of the whole model, as the model is already trained by us on 1,000 and 10,900 images. Training those numbers can create lags and you can say lack of processing power for me to continue this meeting. That's why we are already using those models, and then we will test based on the 1,000 images that we will give to that same model. Here's the input of the whole modeling system, how it will determine what losses we have, how it will determine what the accuracy can be, and then comes the evolution process. Now, this evolution process is mainly based into three terms. That first is accuracy, precision, and then comes the F1 score. The accuracy and precision is based on the you can say parameters that we gave early, and the precision and accuracy based on the parameters that we gave early. The accuracy means how many healthy images and you can say the black rotten images got selected correctly, and the precision is based on how many parameters was predicted you can say correctly, where the F1 score is based the average of both. So this is the you can say whole uh, results of the model that we have used. The model is like 164 MB. As
Agaru, can you press Ctrl++ to zoom in the results?
yes. Okay, I think these are much more clear. So as the images are only 1,000 images, which are 1 to 2 MBs big, so that's why the whole model space right now is only 165 to 170 MBs, and this shows the training of the data. So the model is already trained on a different data set, which is 1,000 to 10,000 images big, whereas to only let the model understand what the current data looks like, we have given it 75% of our whole 1,000 images big data set, which comes to 750 images. So for that, the you can see the constant the training loss. The training loss shows you what underfitting looks like. If the training loss is smaller than 1 or even 1.5, then the underfitting is way smaller for us to have any effect on our prediction. Whereas the validation loss shows you the overfitting, where this can cause by having a bigger training data set than the validation data set. The validation data set should not reach more than 5 to 6 percentage, and as you can see, the percentile that we are getting is 0.01, which is also very small for us to have any effect on our whole prediction. So these are the you can say whole small plot. I think just a minute. Let me. Okay. So these are the results of our training set and what the testing looks like. As you can, the confusion models showcase what the black rotten and the healthy apple trees have their implementation. So the black rotten got 65, you can say 650 and zero wrong prediction, whereas the healthy model have the 3 wrong predictions and 830 right prediction models. And same goes for the validation loss and the training loss. Now the number of images can vary, and for that the ratio that we are going to use to train this model also varies. So for the testing purposes, generally one model contains 5 by 5. I will show you the testing we have. So these are the images that we use for the testing purposes. These are 1,000 images for rotten and 1,000 images for healthy plant trees. So these are small, only leaf size images. A monitor or a computer can also determine whether the plant is healthy or not based on the overview of the top of the tree. So I think this is the total understanding how the whole machine learning model works with our drone implementation. I think Ganesh sir, you should take over again. Minister.
Coming up. Yeah. I'm coming up. Thank you, Adar, for the wonderful presentation. You have really ventured into explaining your project to our audience. Thank you very much. You be online. We will be shortly joined by Pushpu Madam, and she will be presenting her recommendations on your project and the entire this thing. Pushpu Madam, are you there? Pushpu Madam, Pushpu Trivedi Madam, please unmute and get Pushpu Trivedi Madam. Hello, please unmute and yeah. Please unmute and tell Madam, we are unable to hear you. Unable to hear you. Madam, unable to hear you. Please, sir, can you make Pushpu Trivedi Madam as host?
Yes, already I have made him the
Madam,
the host. He already is a
please,
meeting host. Just unmute
please
their
see the
mic.
settings. Unmute your mic. Hello.
Please unplug and again plug it. Maybe.
Unplug.
Am I audible now?
Yes. No.
Yeah. Please.
Okay, am I audible now,
Professor
right?
Pushpu Trivedi is professor in computer science at our same university. She is a colleague of mine. She has a lot of expertise on AI and machine learning. Welcome you to this platform, madam. Thank you for
Sir.
sharing your
Thank you so
Please
much.
go ahead, madam. Please go ahead.
Okay. Let me share my screen. Is it visible, sir?
Yes, madam.
Okay. Is it visible now clearly?
Yes, madam. Please go for slideshow and start from beginning slide.
Okay.
Or you can go ahead. Don't worry. Go ahead, please.
Just play the slide so that it will be.
Yes.
clear.
I'm doing. Is it full slide mode or not, sir? Or should I start?
No, you please go ahead, madam. No problem.
One second.
Yeah. Yeah, it's now fine, madam.
It's
Full
fine,
screen.
sir?
Yes, madam. Please go ahead.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. I think, am I audible clearly to all of you? So now Athar already discussed that how we can process the images, that the project which is about the leaf diseases, that the leaf is infected or not, right? First, he demonstrated all the step of image processing, that how we can use the AI ML technique to detect the disease of plant disease. So after, in addition, I conclude the session in advancement in AI technology. So first, we already know what is the brief history of AI, that in 1950s, when the AI came into the picture with the Turing test. And then in 2000, the machine learning came into the picture. And during 2010 to 2020, there's a deep learning and the generative AI came into the picture, which is the very much advanced, or you can say very much innovation in the field of AI. So now in the current or till date, we are seeing that AI is powering autonomous car in medical diagnostics, robotics, and creative industries in the worldwide, right? So what are the key advancements? So first we can say the natural language processing, in which we are using right now chatbots. We already know we are using the chatbots to engage in conversation with users, right? Using natural and language easily, right? And we are using in the translation also, in which we are using the AI tools to provide the seamless and instantaneous translation service in a real time, right? The second is robotics and automation, in which we are using the robots for perform the task with the precision and efficiency. For example, we are using the manufacturing robots, in the warehouse automation, in the service robots. So we are using in the automation and robotics sector also in AI. In the computer vision, that we all know that we are allowed to computers to see and analyze actually the visual data. For example, we are using the self-driving car, facial recognition, medical imaging systems. So the fourth one is the generative AI. So what is the generative AI? That we know that we create the new content from the learn pattern, that or AI learn the new things from the learn pattern and give the and generate the results. For example, we are saying the chat GPT. So we are all know about the what is the chat GPT and what the GPT can do, right? We can create the images, we can do the video synthesis, everything we can do using this generative AI. So we can say that this generative AI is the main or important innovation in the field of AI ML. Then the computer vision, that is the self-driving car, as we have discussed, the autonomous vehicles that navigate through their surroundings without any human input, right? By leveraging advanced AI technology. For example, the Waymo, that is the Google self-driving project, in which it run autonomous ride services, in which it select the US cities from where it will start and where it will end. The user or the driver will set the destination from start to end, right? That is the self-driving project. Then in the medical imaging system, we already know that AI, we are using the AI techniques, right, that diagnose the various diseases by analyzing medical images. For example, DeepMind, so breast cancer detection, in which they develop the AI system that can detect the breast cancer, right, in a more accurate way. So in the healthcare industries, also we are using the AI techniques to diagnose the images, to diagnose the diseases in very accurate way, so that all the patients can benefit all the things about using the AI and ML techniques. Then robotics and automations, we already discussed the robotics process automation, in which the customer can visit, then how many number of steps, which sections it should visit, and what will be the current result. So these in the field of robotics and automation sectors also we are using the AI techniques, and we are shifting towards more efficient and I think streamlined operations. Then in the business industries also, in the to improve the customer services, right, we can improve our business by using the AI techniques, right, to meet the user requirements and user needs. For example, in the, you can say, for the social media, in the case of Netflix also, according to the customer, according to the user's need or user's feed, we can improve the system, or we can improve our business. In education industry also, that AI is making more personalized and accessible for like smart tutoring systems and automated grading to virtual classroom for the language translation. So student can learn at their own pace, right? And with the supporting teachers with increased efficiency. So for example, we are using Turnitin, right, in the field of education purpose. Then, so what I'm concluding on the note that in the applications of AI in a various sectors like healthcare industries, we AI using the scan, it scan the X-rays, MRIs, EEGs, test result to detect the disease early, right? For example, if I'm talking about the neurological disorders, like if I'm talking about seizures, epilepsies, in which suppose there's a one patient and we are testing the results of EEG. So right now we are doing it manually. Doctors are just scanning the test results manually. There's a no AI automated system, but slowly we are embedding the AI system or techniques to make it more transparent system, right? So virtual health assistants also that remind the patient to take the medicine. This is very good example actually about the AI in the healthcare industries, right? Then the education sectors, right? The personalized learning apps, you can say, from which we can learn, the students can learn in more easy and effective manners, right? Then for AI-based exam proctoring and plagiarism checks, we are using Turnitin here, that is AI-based. Then in the business and finance also, we are using chatbots, we are using the fraud detection, in banking transactions also, in transportation, we are using the Google Maps actually to predicting the traffic and best route, that which one will be the best route, right? Then in the self-driving car also, we are using AI vision to recognize the objects that where the vehicle should start, when the vehicle will take left or right turn, how it will detect the obstacles. For in all these things, we are using the AI techniques. In the transportation also, then in entertainment also, like I discussed in the Netflix, YouTube, Spotify recommendations according to the customer needs or requirements, right? If I'm like fond of only the action movies, so it will show you only the action movies according to your genre. So in this sector also, we are using AI generated music, arts and scripts. Then in the retail and e-commerce market also, that Amazon suggesting products, yeah, yes, based on browsing history, right? So suppose if we are doing the online shoppings and you're scrolling that I like this product. So after that, after 1 or 2 weeks, it is showing the recommendation to you that you can buy this, now price is dropped, right? So this all is because of the AI techniques, right? So AI powered virtual try on also for clothes and accessories, for spectacles. You can see the Lenskart also uses this try on, right? And many other websites also, they are using these AI techniques to increase the profit and to attract the customers. In our daily life also, we are using the AI, right? That is the Alexa, Google Home controlling lights and appliances, right? Security cameras, and for unusual activities. So these are the applications of AI in various sectors, right? So the benefits of AI, what we can say that it is very efficiency and productivity. It is increasing the productivity. We can take the better decision, I think, using the AI techniques, right? We can use the innovation opportunities. We can use the AI tools also for our research work in very less time actually, right? So there are many benefits of AI. And what is the actually future of AI? So we can say that AI plus human collaboration that will be established between AI and human enhances the capabilities actually and efficiency across a wide areas of industries, like leading to innovative solution and can improve overall performance of many sectors, as we have discussed right now, right? So now what is the responsible and explainable AI? So what is explainable AI? So I'll say that it ensure actually what the AI system operate in transparent manner, right? For example, I'll give the simple example of explainable AI. Like I have discussed that if we have any neurological disorder, right? And we have build an AI model to detect that there is a patient is having that disease or not, right? If the patient has a Alzheimer or not, right? So for that, how you will say that your result is accurate, right? We have found out that accuracy is suppose 90%, yeah, 98%, but without intervention of you can say doctors, we cannot say that our result is 100% correct or 98% is correct. So there is a explainable AI come into the picture, in which we can use the algorithms of explainable AI like Sharp, Lime, right? And after applying these algorithms, we can say that this is a transparent manner, right? That our algorithm and our method or our system giving these 98 or 99% result actually. So we can say that it is potential for global problem solving also. So on this note, I think we have very less time. So I'll say thank you so much, everyone, for the joining. Thank you, Athar, and thank you, Ganesh sir. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, audible.
Okay, okay. So if you have any questions from Athar and from me, you can ask. One second.
Yeah,
Yes, yes.
madam.
Yes,
Madam,
yes.
your presentation is very good, and Adharva has also added the best flavor to this session. And I request the audience to please come out with the doubts. We three are online. We are with you. I had to. I did not have the proper network here, so I am connecting again through mobile. Please excuse me for that. And you can go ahead with your doubts. We three are there here. We will clarify your doubts.
Yes,
Please, my
yes. You
dear
can
friends.
ask questions from Athar or from Ganesh sir or yesterday's session also. So we are happy to answer your questions. Yes, if your mic is not working, and then you can drop your question in chat box also.
Yeah, you can unmute and
Yes,
ask,
yes. You can unmute
please.
and you can also ask the question in chat box also.
Yes. Okay, sir. Preranjan, sir.
Sir,
Are you
sir.
there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Priyachandan, sir. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir.
I think there are no much more doubts
Uh,
from the participant. So,
Participants, someone may be. Anyone is there who want to interact with sir or his team regarding that all whatever they deliver? Sir, if you want to express anything else, you can say, continue, sir.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, I again thank the management, Priyachandan, sir, who is coordinating this session, and my colleagues, Adarva Saraf and Professor Kushbu Trivedi, and all of you, a wonderful audience who had patiently listened to all the sessions, two sessions, very patiently, and we are very thankful to you. We are able to share our updates, our technological advancements with you. We could only present a little part of our work, but still there is a lot that we are exploring, and we could because there is a requirement as my student has said, there is a lot of requirement because our Agriculture is mostly a traditional agriculture that is going on. It requires supplementary IoT, cloud, and AI/ML technologies, such that suppose if he is having a 5-acre land, it is very difficult for him to go to the each and every place and anywhere. If you are getting that disease, it can immediately react and spread within no time. So always a proper monitoring system will see 40% of the world crop is being lost every year all over the world, my dear friends. Adar has stated this point very clearly. According to the data, we are speaking all these factors only on data, not hypothetical or from Google or something. We are collecting standard data sets, we are analyzing them, and then only we are giving the proper confirmation and affiliation and conclusion regarding our data authenticity. So whatever the work we are doing, we are publishing that in the very peer-reviewed journals also. We are getting a lot of applause from all over the world. We are taking this technology in a new dimension, such that we are also planning field studies and greenhouse projects and all these things to improve the yield, to go for this plant threat detection, to use these projects in some other areas like flood water detection, human presence in the flood water detection, like that. See, if you get, I started my projects around 3 months back. I associated with Kushbu Madam and other only 3 months back. I am mostly concerned about the temperature conditioning in a room. Then I extended this project to the greenhouse project. One of my students, three students came and they said, in the greenhouse we want to implement this machine learning model, sir. We want to implement the yield. See, nowadays Israel is it is actually a desert land. It is implementing AI and machine learning and IoT and all these things. And their tomato, which is 40 days yield, they are producing the yield within 25 days, and that double the yield they are producing. See how it is possible? Because they are climatic control, they are controlling the temperature conditions, they are controlling the moisture level properly, they are watering, required level of watering is being done, they are maintaining the proper ventilation, carbon monoxide presence they are monitoring, so temperature, humidity they are monitoring. So many things they are taking into consideration, my dear friends. Some countries they are already implementing this technology. So with the help of people like you who are constantly working in these research areas, who are very much interested to advance these careers, by the help of this Atal FDP seminars and FDPs like that, I extend you a warm welcome, my dear friends. I am very happy to associate with you for both these days. And really, I thank Aryan Institute of Engineering and Technology, the management, the coordinators, and particularly the Priyachandan sir, who had been all the way in pursuing from the first to the making it reality. Because, my dear friends, these platforms at the large scale will not happen just by a click of the mouse or something like that. It requires rigorous planning, association, discussion. For us three only, it has taken 1 week what we should present, how we should segregate, how we should plan. Then only this 1.5 hour session has come out, my friends. It is not simply that in 5 minutes we talk something and we deliver. So we have to properly think about our audience, what best can we give them, how can this seminar or FDP can be helpful for them, what is the advantage to them, because your time is also precious as our, my friends. We value your time also, your 1.5 hour after the hectic working day from the morning to evening. Again you are sitting and you are learning something new, and you are going to practice that in the future. This is not something very simple, my dear friends. I congratulate you to join on these particular platforms. I request you also, my friends, whenever there is an identical FDP or something going on in your surroundings or anywhere in the world, you please connect and try to get benefited from this, my dear friends. That is all that I would like to add for this session. Thank you very much, my friends. Thank you very much for your kind applause yesterday and today, and kind support and kind patience. Thank you, my dear friends.
Thank you, sir. On behalf of Aryan Institute, Madam, if you want to tell anything,
Yes.
please.
Okay,
please.
I want to add one more thing that I'm working on neurological disorders and explainable AI. So if anybody want to and if anybody is working on this field, they can connect with me, and if they have some projects, so we can work together, right, Ganesh sir?
Yes, madam. Yes, definitely.
Yes.
We also invite collaboration from all the participants. Anybody who
Yes.
is
Yes.
interested can they can connect. We will supplement all our PPTs, all the things, supplementary study material. We will give it to the Prachandan sir and our email IDs.
Yes,
At
sir.
any
Yes.
point of time, you can
Thank
connect
you,
to
sir.
us and we
Yes.
can
Yes.
work together. Definitely,
Yes.
we are open to
Thank
it.
you, sir. Thank you,
Thank
Priyachandan
you.
sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, madam. On behalf of the Iron Institute and all the participants regarding the organization team, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to you and your team for this excellent session, sir. We have received so many positive feedback from the participant that sir anyhow doing this is fantastic this session because your interactive sessions are most important. All the participants are eagerly waiting for you. Thank you
Thank you,
once
sir.
again for
Thank
your
you.
valuable contribution to this success of our faculty development program. In a very
Thank
short
you, sir.
time, in a busy hour, you are giving so much time to us. Thank you, sir. In future, if any this type of session will be there, I will definitely call you at any time. Thank you, sir.
And mainly, my dear friends, I want to again reiterate my statement. Please remove the barriers of electronics, computer, mechanical,
Yes,
civil. Anything is very valuable, my dear friends, because only AI and ML is the only branches which will be remaining after 5 or 10 years. So everybody should transit our journey to that area and find out what are the exploring opportunities that is there. There is a lot of demand, my dear friends. Very less people are working on that. There is a huge money, my dear friends. Please, for the sake of money purpose also, please divert your attention. There is a lot of money in these particular fields, my dear friends. Thank you very much, sir. So we will be signing off with three of us from the session. So please go ahead for the next session. Thank you, my dear friends. Bye. Take care. Good night. Happy weekend. Happy Diwali. Thank you very
Thank you
much.
so much, sir. Thank you so
thank
much.
you. Happy Diwali to you and your team, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you
Happy
very much.
Diwali, sir.
Thank you, Kushbu madam. Thank you, Adarva.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for this amazing session, and happy Diwali to everybody.
Thank you. Thank you.
All
Okay,
the
sir. Bye.
participants. Okay, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Bye. Bye. Thank you, madam. Bye.
Participant, in a half an hour break, we will be meet at 7:45. Already have shared the feedback and attendance link. All of you can give. We will meet at 7:45. Once again, good evening to all.
Okay, sir, visible, sir.
Our beloved Ame sir already joined the session. So
Sir.
let it do extending a warm welcome to our Dr. Amer Kumar Sahu sir to present the session of Atal Online FDP program, Next Gen Integration, AI and Drone Technology. Sir, please go ahead to your session.
Is it audible, sir?
Sorry, sir, your voice is not audible. Please unplug and again plug it, maybe.
Audible, sir?
No, sir, not audible.
Not audible. Control plus D. It is now audible, sir?
Just unmute it.
Sir,
No, voice is not audible, sir.
it is audible now, sir?
No, sir, no, sir.
Yes, sir, it's audible.
Okay, audible, sir?
Yes, we can hear.
It is audible.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Yes, yes, audible.
Okay. Okay, am I audible now?
Sorry,
Yes.
sir. Sir, voice is not audible.
It's audible.
Hello?
Audible, sir. Audible, sir.
Audible, fine.
Sir, namaskar, sir.
Namaste.
Audible, sir.
Audible, okay, fine.
Sorry, sir. No voice from your side.
Hello? Voice is audible to all?
Yes, sir,
yes,
it is
sir.
audible.
sir, audible.
Audible,
Okay,
sir. Audible.
Okay. Please inform to coordinator, sir. Perhaps any problem from his side.
I will contact
Okay.
Sipun if he can help you.
Please inform coordinator, sir. Because
Sir,
he
सुना
is
जाएगा sir.
Audible, sir. We can listen your voice, sir.
please inform to Priya, sir.
Yes, yes. But from my side,
Okay, no problem. That is not issue, sir. Good evening, all. Thank you for nice presentation, Professor Priyachandan Satpathy, sir. It is my privilege. I have given my presentation in first session, means day before yesterday, same time, after same 45. Already this FDP program started from that Monday. Already 3 days passed. This is a 6 days program. So I hope that now already 50% of the total 13 session, near about 6 session completed successfully. All the participants have a clear idea about the artificial intelligence, generative artificial intelligence, drone technology, and all things. What my topic today, that is really interesting topic, because anyhow we need the output of any technology if all should be application oriented. If we are applying the generative AI in drone technology, then what is the output? Means how much success till today? What is the drone technology given to the society by the help of generative AI and AI? So everybody we know what is a drone and what is the relationship between AI and drone. So today's session is totally related to application oriented, means where generally drone technology used by the help of AI, generative AI. First AI, then Gen AI, which is a challenging factor nowadays. Before starting the topic, I want to elaborate all the material what I have collected and in my research area what I have find out. The future is now, embracing generative AI to unlock the drone potential. Again, I am repeating, the future is now, embracing the generative AI to unlock the drone potential. Generative AI and intelligent autonomous drones, which are fundamentally reshaping, very, very important, which are reshaping fundamentally the industries, delivering safer operations, smarter decision making. We are always speaking about smart is a very means decision making word nowadays. Smarter decision making and unprecedented efficient gains across the sectors, from autonomous infrastructure inspections to coordinated the swarm missions and the precision agriculture. The possibilities continue expanding at an extraordinary pace. The next decade will witness the drones, very, very important. Dear friends, the next decade will witness drones becoming indispensable partners in manufacturing infrastructure, maintenance, logistic optimization, and environmental stewardship, transforming how we work, how we live, and how we interact with our world. So let us this transformative technology to innovate boldly and create smarter, more suitable future. So friends, what I have covered, I am going to cover, as my topic is related to Gen AI. I am going to little bit distinguish what is AI, what is Gen AI, what is drone technology, then AI enhanced drone technology revolution, and the application part, then the conclusion. As we all know, the intelligence and artificial intelligence. After first is intelligence, next one is artificial intelligence, next one is Gen AI, generative artificial intelligence. Already we have discussed, intelligence is nothing but it is a natural process, whereas artificial intelligence is programmed by the humans. It is the intelligence is hereditary, but the artificial intelligence is not hereditary. Knowledge is required for the intelligence. Very, very important. Intelligence is a word. The knowledge is required for the intelligence. Whereas AI, the electronic device with computing capability, machination, knowledge base, and electricity supply required to generate the output. That is AI. In case of intelligence, no human is expert. We may get better solutions from other humans. In case of intelligence, if we will go think about intelligence, no human is expert. We may get better solutions from other humans. But in case of AI, expert systems are made which aggregate many persons' experience and ideas. Though already we know the artificial means man-made and intelligence is a natural process. If we will see the very, very important, what is Gen AI and what is AI. First, we are speaking artificial intelligence.
Sir, can you share your screen?
Yes, I have shared already.
No.
No, sir.
I have not
Please
shared.
share. No. There is a present button there. Please share.
Okay. Let me see. Now it is coming.
Please make it full screen, sir.
Okay, fine. Now it is available.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, fine. See, the future, what I told, the future is embracing, the future is now, the embracing generative AI to unlock the drone potential. What I discussed, the next decade will the witness drones becoming the indispensable partners in manufacturing and infrastructure maintenance, logistic optimization, and environmental stewardship, transforming how we work, life, and interact with our world. Dear friends, already we discussed intelligence and artificial intelligence. But now the question is artificial intelligence and generative AI, Gen AI. We are now speaking about Gen AI, Gen AI everywhere. I have differentiated between AI and Gen AI by taking different parameters. The parameters like scope, the parameters like core function, the output type, then learning process, user interaction. These are different parameters I have taken. If we will discuss about the scope, a broad overreaching field of computer science, which includes system capable of mimicking human intelligence. If we will discuss about Gen AI, it is a subset of AI which focuses on creating new original content. That is very, very important. It creates the new original content. If you will see the core function part, it analyzes existing data to make different types of predictions, decisions, classifications based on learned patterns. Dear friends, data must be labeled data. So many after the labeled data, then patterns, then based on learned patterns. It focuses on interpretation and problem solving. This is the core function part of AI. If you will focus on Gen AI, it creates new content from scratch, such as text, such as images, music, and code by learning the patterns and structures of its training data. The data must be trained, and the data must be filtered in case of Gen AI. If you will see different output type, it provides analysis and classifications or predictions, such as recommendation of spam filter generally inside our mail. But in case of Gen AI, generates novel, unique creative outputs based on prompts such as poem, digital image, or a new marketing copy. Then learning process, it used supervised learning. Supervised learning, where the model is trained on labeled data with clear inputs. Already, if we have, we already know in case of AI, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, these are the plays vital role. But in case of Gen AI, it relies on self-supervised learning with large unlabeled data sets. We are speaking only the data. In case of AI, we are taking the data. In case of Gen AI, also we are taking the data. The data must be filtered. The data must be labeled. This is mainly related difference between AI and Gen AI. Then we must know the drone technology. The drones already perhaps everybody know this is a aerial vehicle. Generally we are speaking UAV, unmanned aerial vehicle. The aircraft that do not have a human pilot on board. We are now speaking the driverless, the car without driverless, the vehicle without driver. Like that, aircraft that do not have a human pilot on board. They are controlled remotely or autonomously by a computer program. This is required, which are controlled remotely or autonomously by a computer program. The drone technology has been rapidly advancing in recent years with many industries. We are applying this technology in many industries, exploring the potential applications in this technology. By the help of this drone technology, rapidly advancing in recent years, with many industries exploring the potential applications of this technology. Drones can be used for a wide range of tasks, from aerial photography and video to surveying and monitoring the different crops. That can also be used for security and surveillance, delivery and logistics, and even search and rescue missions. Here are the applications. We will go the details one by one, which can be used for security purpose, for the surveillance purpose, delivery and logistic, even search and rescue missions. As drone technologies continue to evolve, it is likely that we'll see even more innovative applications in the future. How the artificial intelligence is related with AI? Already we know AI makes it possible from different experience which adjust the input and perform human-like tasks. Most examples that are here about today, by playing the computer, self-driving cars, so many things that is related to deep learning and other things. Advancements in AI for drones till today: the autonomous drones, the computer vision for drones, mapping and surveying with drones. Artificial intelligence, how it is advancements in drones technology, or in case of drones. The drones, autonomous drones, are capable of flying without the human intervention and can be programmed to perform the specific tasks. This technology is used in the industries, like as we are speaking about our agriculture as our application part. This is such as agriculture, delivery and surveillance. Previous slides already I have given you the idea where is applied. This for that means the computer vision is required for the drones. The computer vision technology, which allows drones to identify and track the objects in real time. Dear friends, all depend upon the data, labeled data. This is useful in industries such as security and surveillance, where drones can be used to monitor large areas and detect potential threats. The mapping and surveying with the drones. Drones are equipped with advanced sensors. How it is monitored? If you will see the technology part, how it is related, drones equipped with advanced sensors and the cameras, which can be used for mapping and surveying. This technology is being used in industries such as construction, mining, oil and gas, to collect different types and turn in the infrastructure. We are speaking AI enhanced drone technology, which is related to computer vision and machine learning. The computer vision has the ability of the machines, in case of drone, to interpret and understand the visual information from the environment. If you will see the machine learning plays a vital role, as it is the subset of artificial intelligence. It introduced machine learning as a subset of AI, which enables drones to learn from data and improve their performance over time. Everywhere nowadays, we are speaking data, internet and data, which cordially related with the electricity. Like food, cloth and shelter, nowadays data that related with internet and electricity. These are the very important for our lifestyle. It explains machine learning algorithms. This is very important. So many algorithms are there. In previous part already we have discussed different types of algorithms. The machine learning algorithms which are used in drones for like predictive maintenance for different parts, where the drone can detect the potential issues and schedule the maintenance proactively. That is very, very important. Mention that machine learning also enables drones to adapt to changing environments and optimize their flight in different redundancy method. Then question arises, how artificial intelligence revolution in drone technology. If we'll see this in one line, I can explain, exploring how artificial intelligence is transforming drones from simple flying, like flying machines, into sophisticated autonomous systems that are revolutionizing the industries worldwide. The drone industry is undergoing the fundamental transformation as artificial intelligence converts the remote controlled devices that autonomous intelligent agents capable of independent decision making and complex task execution. Again, I am repeating how it is a revolution in the drone technology. The drone industry is undergoing a fundamental transformation as artificial intelligence converts remote control devices into autonomous intelligent agents. Already we know in AI, in JI, agent, environment, these plays a vital role, which capable of independent decision making and complex task execution. What we began as simple remote controlled aircraft has evolved into sophisticated platforms which can perceive their environment, make the real-time decisions, and adapt to changing the conditions without constant human oversight. This evolution represents more than incremental improvement. It is a paradigm shift in how aerial systems operate. That is very, very important. Think about 20 years back, 15 years back, every radio, every electronic system has one aerial. At that time, aerial plays a vital role. Modern AI driven drones integrate multiple advanced capabilities, including autonomous navigations that allows them to chart the optimal paths through complex environment systems. The computer vision with human accuracy, different real-time decision-making algorithms, different dynamic situations, and swarm intelligence that enables the coordinate multi-drone operations. This is the revolution, how AI revolution in drone technology. The Gen AI, how generative AI enhances drone innovation. It is by optimal design and accredited training simulation and real-time adaptive control. The generative algorithm explores millions of drones about the optimized design generation by difference weight distribution, energy efficiency, and structured integrity. These AI systems can produce innovative airframe designs and the different configurations and arrangements with the human engineer alternatives. If you will see, the training simulation and real-time adaptive control all are related to this. How both are coordinated with each other in the next, after the 3 or 4 slides after, we can find out this is clearly. This is which create the smarter, means in AI case we are smart, but in Gen AI case it is more smarter, more adaptive, more and more adaptive, the drone systems. It is only possible by the help of natural language control, by the help of continuous learning, by the help of intelligent design. The generative AI algorithms which design and optimize the drone components, the flight paths, the operational strategies beyond the human capabilities. The continuous learning, the drone, the drones learn from the thousands of simulated flight hours and real sensor data, making instant adjustments to optimize the performance. If we will see the natural language control, the GPT, what we can see, Flock GPT leverages generative AI to different complex drones, that orchestra drones, complex drones, swarms using initiative natural language commands. This is taken another, the how AI drone driven revolution, already same thing. It is a fundamentally transforming drones from manually controlled devices into intelligence. This is the summary. Self-governing systems capable of complex decision making. How it is making? It is the algorithm, it is the pattern, and it is the data, which is filter data, labeled data. That is, data sets plays the vital role. Those advanced platforms now feature real-time simulational awareness, sophisticated obstacle avoidance, and adaptive mission execution that responds dynamically to changing different conditions. That is, if we'll see infrastructure, one application, autonomous infrastructure inspection, which is safer, faster, and smarter. It is only possible of Gen AI. In case of AI, also we are finding, but it is more safer, more faster, more smarter. The infrastructure inspection represents one of the most immediately impactful applications of AI-powered drones, addressing critical safety challenges while dynamically improving the efficiency and accuracy. This can be possible by the help of autonomous operation capabilities. The modern AI powered inspection drones operate with minimal human intervention. Very few minimal human intervention, utilizing advanced perception systems and decision making algorithms. This is very important to navigate the complex industrial environments. These systems can automatically identify the different inspection points, adjust cameras from different angles for optimal visibility, maintain safe distance from the structures while capturing high resolution, and even adapt their inspection patterns based on preliminary findings. This is related to safer, faster, smarter, which make our autonomous infrastructure inspection. This can be possible by the help of our drone technology. The drones, which leverage multiple sensors, different types of sensors, which works, high resolution camera, thermal imaging, and ultrasonic sensors to build comprehensive assessments or infrastructure, so we can speak. Now a case, if you'll see, I have seen one case study I have find out one case study in case of Amazon Web Service, the AWS AI workforce system. Amazon Web Services, this is a platform which exemplifies the state of the art in autonomous inspection systems. This comprehensive solution integrates the drone hardware, the AI analysis software, very important. We know software governs the hardware, the AI analysis software, and cloud-based data management into a seamless workflow that transform infrastructure monitoring. Here, we are finding AI analysis, we are finding cloud-based data management, and what now we are going to we are thinking about new technology already produced, already started, blockchain technology. The zero risk to human workers, that is eliminates the dangerous climbing and high altitude work. That is near about the detection accuracy, the different types of faster, dramatically reduced inspection time compared to the traditional methods. It is the detection accuracy near about, in case of case study, that is near about 97%. It is not touching 100%. This is touching 97%. Autonomous inventory management. This is very, very important. Inventory management, then intelligent quality control, then our 3D facility mapping, all are related with our drone. The predictive maintenance revolution also related with this autonomous inventory management. Dear friends, if we will think about autonomous inventory management, drone plays a vital role. Drones navigate the warehouse vessels independently, scanning the barcodes and the RFID, which rates the impossible of human workers or the ground-based robots. In this case, these systems can complete full facility, the inventions in hours rather than days, the operating continuously during the off shifts without additional labor costs. This is our related to autonomous inventory management. If you will think about intelligent quality control, here also drone, the computer vision systems mounted on drone perform the detailed quality inspections of products and production equipments. The AI models detect dimensional versions, different visions of surface imperfections and assemblies errors with consistency that exceeds human capability. The drones can inspect the hard to reach areas of manufacturing equipments, identifying wear patterns and potential failures before they cause the downframe. The thermal imaging capabilities, the reveal the hotspots in electrical systems and detect anomalies in temperature sensitive processes. That is related to our intelligent quality control. Like that, 3D facility mapping, like that, predictive maintenance revolution, all are coming our autonomous inventory management, where drone plays a vital role. If you will see also that already, if you will see autonomous inventory management, predictive maintenance revolution, these are coming. This is another how the crop health assessment. This also done. How? By the help of the drone technology, we can calculate, we then assess the agriculture. In agriculture area, also drone has a very good, that in this case, that is the different types of autonomous operations in the areas of remote areas. Agriculture and environmental, which different types of areas where drone plays a vital role. The swarm coordination for large scale coverage by the help of drone technology, and this technology by the help of our generative AI. Generative AI plays a vital role. If we will see the logistics and delivery, which is the future of urban mobility. The logistics and delivery sector also stands very plays a vital role, whether the dynamic route optimization, weather adoption, then obstacle navigation. If we'll see different parts here, the different sector stands for the drone conversion method, where AI powered autonomous systems are placed for fundamentally transform the list data delivery and equivalent under the different mobility. The application combines the most challenging aspects of drone autonomy, the navigation in complex dynamic environments, interaction with unpredictable urban infrastructure, and operation in close to the different sectors of people, making in both the most technical, demanding, and performing the most impact use for AI driven drones. The technology focus on weather adaptation also. The technology also focus on obstacle navigation. The technology also focus on dynamic route optimization by taking the real data. The operational advantages by taking the different parameters like speed, like cost efficiency, like different environmental scales and different scalability. The we are finding it is most suitable compared to others. It is most suitable. These are the operational advantages. This I have collected one snap how the military and public safety. This is intelligent mission execution. Here also drone technology plays a vital role. The intelligence, the surveillance, and the reconnaissance. Here it is also. If we will see different sectors like challenges and road ahead, in this case also the drone technology plays a vital role, like data privacy and secure concerns. Very important. The regularity framework development and AI ethics and accountability. The technologically advance of horizon. I can share these slides. You can find out from the coordinator and you can see what I have collected from different angles from the different journals by focusing on different areas. So challenges like data privacy and security concern, regulatory framework and development case, artificial intelligence ethics and accountability. This is very important, the drone technology. Dear friends, the sky is limit, but embracing our AI driven drone innovation, which pledge unprecedented efficiency and insight, competitive advantages through different adoption, unlocking new frontiers. As our topic, only the application of drones related by the help of Gen AI for the next gen. We stands at a threshold transformative area where Gen AI and next gen drones are fundamentally reshaping how industries operate, how services are delivered, and how we interact with the physical world. This is very important. Friends, the convergence of artificial intelligence and autonomous aerial systems represents more than technological advancement. It marks the paradigm shifts to the introduction of the internet or mobile computing, unlocking the possibilities that seemed like science fiction just years ago. The unprecedented efficiency and insight, if we focus in that, the AI powered drones are delivering measurable value access across every industry they touch. In infrastructure, they eliminate safety risks while improving the inspection and speed by orders of magnitude. In agriculture, they enable precision farming that increases yields while reducing the environmental impact, and also economics and customer expectation. If we make in public the safety, they save the lives through faster response and better situational awareness. These benefits are not theoretical. They are being realized today by early adopters, gaining competitive advantages through automated operation and data-driven intelligence, which is related to our insight. If you will see the advantages of adoption, the organizations which are embraced the AI powered technology position themselves at the forefront of the industries. The advantages compound over different times. Operational efficiencies, reduce costs, and improve service quality. Reach the data streams. Inform better strategy decisions. All things only possible of sharing the speed. See, before 20 years back, 30 years back, we are also using our internet. For downloading any movie, generally, what I have seen in my life, we started the download of one movie, it will take near about one night. But nowadays, within a fraction of second, fraction of minute, that is the speed. And that is by the help of introducing the different technologies from different areas, which by the help of Gen AI, which focuses different areas by the help of different parameters. And dear friends, these parameters are only by the help of labeled data with proper inventions. It also unlocking the new frontiers. Perhaps most exciting that we have only began different kinds of glimpses which fully potential of AI driven drones. As technology matures day to day, the technology matures, regulations evolve, and creative minds imagine new applications. These applications, the systems that tackle challenges we have not yet conceived till today. They promise the improvement in safety by removing humans from dangerous work, enhance sustainability through optimized resource use, and reduced emissions, and operational excellence through data-driven continuous improvement. Together, AI, Gen AI, and the drones will unlock the new frontier in how we build, grow, deliver, protect, understand our world making the impossible possible and possible routine to different aspects. This autonomous navigation and computer vision is eyes and brains of next gen drones, where the deep learning vision is there, where the advanced sensing is there, where the intelligent navigation is there. Sorry. We know what is deep learning. The deep learning is, just a minute. We know deep learning, it is the subset of machine learning. The machine learning is the subset of AI. Deep learning vision, the convolutional neural networks which enable real-time object recognition, object recognition, classification, and sophisticated environment mapping. If you'll see the advanced sensing, it is the simulations, localizations of different mapping. Then stereo vision technologies which create 3D environmental models. If you will see intelligent navigation, the autonomous systems seamlessly navigate the complex industrial sites, dense forests, and challenging the urban environments without human intervention, that is intelligent navigation. We are speaking always swarm intelligence, nowadays swarm intelligence, real-time coordination, complex mission, and the results. The coordinated drone fleets for complex missions. AI enables multiple drones to communicate, to collaborate, and to coordinate in real time, creating powerful distributed systems capable of accomplishing different tasks impossible for individual units. If we'll see the complex mission, the swarm executes the dynamic formation, flying, coordinated search, and rescue the operations and large-scale infrastructure inspections. If you will see the real-time coordination, the drones share the sensor data which adjust the behaviors dynamically to maintain formation and mission objectives. The industry applications, manufacturing, the industry applications, infrastructures. It also manufacturing excellence, infrastructure monitoring, agriculture and environment, the real-time crop health monitoring by the help of now, like health monitoring, agriculture monitoring also possible. So real-time crop health monitoring, precision agriculture analytics, wildfire detection systems, comprehensive ecological surveys, transform resource management. If you will think about infrastructure monitoring, autonomous drones safely and efficiently inspect the wind turbines, power transmission lines, bridges, pipelines, AI workforce solution for demonstrate different enterprise solutions. Like that, manufacturing excellence is also there. The AI drones platform, the automated quality inspections, real-time inventory management also, and also predictive maintenance across the different facilities, dramatically reducing the downtime and operational cost. This is real related to industry applications. That is like drone anatomy. I have taken one snapshot, edge computing and real-time data producing. Friends, drone air traffic also there, GPS satellite is also there, crowd is there. Which drone is following? That onboard intelligence, then mission critical performance. The edge artificial intelligence enables drones to analyze vast amounts of sensors data instantly without relying on cloud connectivity or remote processing infrastructure. Also, mission critical performance, essential for operations in remote locations, GPS denied the environments or situations requiring split-second autonomous decision-making capabilities. Challenges on the road ahead: regulatory framework, security and privacy, continuous innovation, developing continuous comprehensive regulations and airspace management systems for safe autonomous drone operations at scale across diverse environments. If you will see the security and privacy already discussed, ensuring the robust cyber security protocols and the data privacy protections in increasing the connectivity of artificially intelligence driven drone networks and communication systems, which also advancing AI training methodologies, different methodologies also there, improving the hardware and also operational envelopes to unlock the new users at a time. So what I started from the first slide, the same thing I am going to focus what we overall discussed. The future is now, which embracing the generative AI to unlock the drone potential. Everywhere, where is AI? There is also Gen AI. And if we are applying in different areas, then drone technology nowadays, by the help of drone, Gen AI going to become more powerful. The future is now. The generative AI and intelligent autonomous drones are the fundamentally reshaping the industries. The fundamentally delivering the safer operations, smarter decision making, and unprecedented efficiency gains across the different sectors. If you will see from autonomous infrastructure, inspections to coordinated swarm missions and precision agriculture and possibility continue expanding at an extraordinary pace. The next decade, dear friends, the next decade will witness the drones becoming the indispensable partners in manufacturing, infrastructure maintenance, logistic optimization, logistic environmental stewardship, transforming the how we work, how we live, how we interact with our world. That's all what I have collected the related to drone technology. All the technical related, the algorithm and other works plays a vital role behind this. As our area is related to, as our discussion point is related to where drone is applicable. Drone technology, application of drone technology in every sector, we can find out by the help of Gen AI. The drone become powerful. Also, the Gen AI, the drone also, by the help of drone, the Gen AI also becoming powerful. And it is only possible by the pattern, by the data, by the label data, algorithm. So many are the behind this. What we are telling till today smart, what we are telling today automatic, autonomous, only possible for this. Thank you. Any discussion, any questions, dear friends? What I have collected from different, already told you, from the different journals, from the different areas, what we have collected, I have shared with all of you as per my experience. Hello. Hello.
If anyone interrupt with sir, please carry on.
Hello?
Hello, sir.
Sir, sir.
Hello. Yes. Hello. Any questions? That is a open platform. We can share our knowledge. What you the people know, you can share with me. What I know, I can share with you. Just as it is a technology, it is a, we can speak in the hot cake nowadays, drone technology. So many things are there. So so many research works are going on behind this. So many works to be done for the future. So the edge, this is not related to only one area. From every aspect, from every angle, like sun is everywhere, like that drone then capture everything from every angle, where by the help of Gen AI and AI techniques. Any questions, dear friends? Any information which will be shared?
Okay, then
Anything,
Yes,
sir, in chat box?
nothing, sir.
Okay. Okay, sir.
And thank you, sir. On behalf of Aiet Institute Management, this FDP organizing team, I
Thank you,
will
sir.
have a extend my heartfelt gratitude for your this excellent session. Thank you once again for your valuable contribution to the success of this Atal
Thank you.
Fdp online program. We
Thank you.
sincerely hope to maintain the connections and collaboration with you in future academic endeavor.
I'll share my
Sir,
slide.
yes, sir. Please share your slide. I will be
I will share the
to
slide.
all the participants.
Yes, sir. I will just share my slides. Thank you, coordinator, Professor Priyaran Chandan Satpathy, for your invitation. Thank you. Thank you all.
This is over your session 8 for today. So all of you can join tomorrow 6 p.m. Another resource person will be there, Niradi sir. Details will be shared to you. Thank you for today. Good night, all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.